Edi abone no mai.
Okodi ke de Agyapong.
See, brapeni. Ensem ni bi wo a ye kan na ja yabone ben. Ye kan na yabone ben.
A particular name, maybe. A year Efijase Mashebedeni in the person of Dr. Agyei Free. Only no issues biana.
Nkamen kase ye personal issues, but be a say presidential primaries no na 102 bi say komodie bi ko so me constituency say ba TV so kra mu bi ahwe bi mani anye ho but man kan ho asem say nkofo edi ho nkomo ani ade but me ankasa de man kan ho asem. But quite apart from that, me no the issue there. Ya to aba, baby me kodi ye no tumi no anko ho. Ni nyina ni yomoa. Se bi ntimi nkoba se MPP ene ye kwa no ni aba no kora ye ntubi oni eduru wa ye mpija nipa ba akopensa. Ni yomoa.
As Kennedy wa party ma wa okodi na chiare na ye tata ho.
See bra pene na me ka se nipa sem wom.
I don't get it.
Me hunu sa na me hunu etimi ma menya aboto ye mo kakra se ye nipa sem.
I didn't know people catch it say you tunu for ontie. I didn't yes say you tu lawyer kwa blabo lawyer kwa blabo atin for ontie. I didn't nyina ye say wa kwata candidate bi achi. Me catch say candidate bi ohuruye. Ohu wo nyina na okeka wo. Because you tell interviewer also nya kwanya ne Dr. Bawumia ekokoshiai ene ne sere ene ne yiri kokoshiai but I've told you say ade ba kwa lawyer kwa blambo ati ehun say eye sere kwa na no mo ne sere no
because pe de ekeka ko
because de ekoso Ejisu constituency no de a omo frag bella wate
yes
ana wonte ana mo be no tu afa ho ye chi abro ye de a wo kasai but ye ne nkofo ekun ha say besi no nka anwen fa ho but wate ye wate se bibi sa akoso okumawu o ti ase wate se tepa ye won krofo se kan wo emu ne yin no wakasa fa ho
Kennedy Agyapong ne bone ne say ya e wo se na chidifo efa this me say a tribulation
won say
me hunu adjustment me fan qualify
o ka na nkrofo bi aba social media no so no mu di atem
nipa wetina party pa say na
ye de ye ka say de be ya party no benya baabi agina essence ye nyina ye nim pefe say party no baabi agina and then no agina mena dongo wo pa gidi wo panyi ni enfa ye nye asem
yeah no dey
but we will continue to speak the truth. Bebia honorable Kennedy Ohene Agyapong abranding no ho adu no or you bigger than so be man political appointment.
Okay.
Because e sika na opa wanya bi e fame ade nyame du adu ya agaye. You get it?
Yeah.
Say ye fame because we presidential ambition, you know. Unless they be able to find independent candidate be there. For now, they have killed that through MPP. MPP mu do mass no. Because for you to come out to come and even campaign to us, Nkofo show tutu. Say this is a gentleman who want to be a president. I catch it say na adwene.
Tell me be akwa by ha telling media so join and subscribe and leave you comment under the comment section, like and share the link. And of course, Ohene Michael Atinasim Dean the tele evangelist Samson Owusu ya Tinasi say ya no kreno ene dutudwa. And of course, then the member of parliament Edema Ejisu constituency, honorable lawyer Kwabena Boateng on Ohene TV and radio Edin Simbi atudwa na enensem no ena I take over all the social media no so yibi wura saa ensem a honorable akoka no ene no yibi wura saa ensem no ensu emu sounds Rosemond Oben or presidential staffer what the assembly atudwa the ama NPP amayuku no say no serious political party would allow someone with active court cases like Chama Wontumi to contest for chairmanship. The NPP Council of Elders must act now before the already sinking party collapses further. Into when in Samoa, Rosemond Oben at today build us out in seven so emu saa nso na honorable aye Lawrence Edu wose eni kwan se Kennedy Agyapong ekopa eye Bawumia achew nemum Bawumia mum ena wose ko Kennedy fie ekopa achew saa nsem yi ene nsem e kan ya tenasi ya de besom Ohene
nnya
mo akwaba
mejosum nya
na weekend let say
won't say and yes are very stressful because I won't say you made any doors honestly speaking you weekend ma you might think say that is the time I'll be nya akwanya na nka wa home but that time grants any time and no me go so be doors pa we be from nti ube twa kwan ma weekend nkwa wie and then won't say wa brebe onyu onyame ne yedi ni enti e de kan say twede ampon ye dana simina
right and Ohene yenwura mai lawyer Kwabena Boate Ejisu member of parliament and we TV na de wakoka rehosem ama nkrofo bebere aboto enya asem ketu akra asem akoka no all right yentie se ne honorable lawyer Kwabena Boate kan nsem no we TV no ni imedi mu nkomo
minu ya peni so wa haidi na wono so dwato ani bi enuru no so ne nkom mame si bia mi si gina ye bi na party mpenimfo bi ani anye ho mo fa cheme sere wo mo ada sere wo mo obi a wedi mamanyu echi bia no me de mbra pani de mbeto wo mo a ja communication ya de wo mo a na kire me nyu obi a me yedwe me nya ho maso ebia agoro no me ehudie me sere wo mo si gina ye bi na me siye na akofa wo yuni e di abremia kotodwegu fom sere wo mo de me hwehwa ne se me so me de me mranti ahoden besom party
right Ohene enti ye honorable nsem nyumlem
me ne medo wase na ya fa konya we so achia ya hwefo
okay
ene yetifo na unim ene wie mewura ho me ho kakra sanse and now no pay na me one of the sister stations I wo Ejisu municipal Abin FM na ensema yedi ho nkomo no anya me wanwa se ensem ni kwa wie no na the same nkomo na honorable lawyer Kwabena Boate so akwakodi ewo Owia TV na it's very sad say a member of parliament anka constituency ni beta na chi no no constituency no adani omachi da kire no on the name say or support to a particular candidate. And if you are fast to render an apology to impenophobia, apology no render and me, dear me share no nie. Me who say honorable lawyer Kwabena Boate on form. Now so a terabia, the Obekan say sana moka dia ma mempa mocho. And I felt sad for the gentleman because I felt sad for honorable. Because at some point in time, who said he's not the man I used to know. Who said forces be a pushing man. Nasa say fini pa ye nim say no ye no. What I say because I say is here no who say okona yaji minsem. But you know the sadness part of it. And then me share MPP penyin bi na ye pon from the program no approaching me. No say ye tunu fo ntie ye de ya kan ya be ya kan. And no man na ya hihye de edin ayi no buabo no ayi no nti ya de edin ayi no de ayi no but you see ewiase embra MPP awo mu constitution ko sa na NDC nso wo mu constitution ko
okay
but mu constitution is ekasen and the first of we branch election the constitution can say within this register ye bi aponato wo say wo pese wo pick from bia braba pick bi online kokwa file na we waba police stations me do dia to register say within ni ma won to sa de bi man nyeye sa na MPP mbra ne say
okay
what I say say branch election no say within ni sa register ni mu a enye electoral commission register no
okay
party na nkasa won register say the NDC ewo green registered book no NDC for wo mo de na green nto mo friend green register sa na MPP for so wo mo de register nko ni mum nhihye ne se nipa ni din ni register ni mu a ontimi nya akwanya me contest anase o ma meto aba ni bi
Okay.
nti omo se omo bie apono ne to obosume baako se wa wo pese wo be ye delegate bia no kokko pick forms no from online no aba polling stations no aba be omo ko so bo hu dawura memitie honorable lawyer Kwabena Boateng wo one of the stations no ka kire se mumpie na munko abonte na munko ye ene yesi nipa kakra bi ne pie ekokoye ye eni nti no de constituency executives ni susu ni se nipa dodo na ma abonte ama mepie anko ye de and the use electoral commission and register na or the beto aba ni emu obi owo constituency mu bia no ento aba ni bi sa na mbra ne ka enye sa na mbra ne tie party no wona mbra nti se wutie lawyer Kwabena Boateng asema na oka ni nyina ne se party no wona de mbra nti ade nti na ye ndi party ne hyehyɛ ani party ne mbra so ehifa na papa we atozini ehifa ene wafom obi esanse nipa bi susu se nipa akwakɔtworo mudi ni nyina yɛ nkrɔfo ebeto abande ama lawyer Kwabena Boateng sa na nwimi hu ye eni nti no se yesu abo etirimu posi ebetu na firi wo de eni de ade nti na se nipa akwakɔtworo mudi eye lawyer Kwabena Boateng nkrɔfo nkwa na akwakɔtworo mudi utase and that is very sad because what I know is anka constituency se party ni ba power MC ye modia MP ni ye modia you see from 1992 down the lane MPP apart from 1992 basi 1996 omo kwete parliament if in 1996 able to date MPP na win sa seat in Ejisu constituency from that time to date what I say so it tells you say one of the seat mostly it belongs to the MPP so say MP yamodia MC yamodia what I say na say municipal constituency executives no mini MP ni enye baako dia then I think there is a problem and one thing on Montreal in here pa ehun ye ni say over the years since Duomi esusu se ekwan ede ne fa so koto aba ahomachi bi ede be yi ni firi ho with the late of your papa John Kuma since then omu namesa omunya from the Ejisu constituency no started say etiba from what I say because at some point in time I remember say they recorded about 87,000
yes na executive constituency executive member no na ba ko ka say free sa number na boy
it's 57,000
yes is above from kra
in 2024 they recorded 57,000 all in the name say ekwan a mo fa so de nkrofo bi fa so ha because e bia ni sansem ya moken delegate asemi at some point in time 2020 ahomachi 2 o'clock 3 o'clock na makoto aba na wi and they see ya biem kokko pick house me peke me am peke na so meto bi emra ne sesen esen na mra ne ka Mudem blani na ye adwuma and as a foot to fly because all the various constituencies no omo nyina use mra no de ato aba e ba no se na Ejisu constituency nko ade sa mra na ntwa se ye adwuma na mra na yes sa mra no constituency no so it seems say ye kata obi ni no ma bi o ma for me e bi tie the current MP ni say ekwan bi aso ye betu what I say ade ni ekwan bi aso ye betu wuti endra pen panyin amene yidi nkoma wuti lawyer Kwabena Boateng asem oka osisi eto aba ni wie na dodo no zuzu so mo pamia fine mo se mo pamia mekwa akodi mi teacher anase mekwa akwa me lawyer adwuma o ye lecturer wuti ase obeko no akwa akwa ye na adwuma after all he doesn't lose anything dia open san ko besom ne man but say ne man ni so mo ma ne kwan ye nkofo bi fofo mfa betu ne dia who say ayro hosem
yes
I didn't know be ka kire say yetu no fo a ontie ade ne nya say yetu lawyer Kwabena Boateng fo a ontie ade ne nyina ye say wa kwakwata candidate bi achi me ka kire say candidate bi ohuruye ohu wo nyina na okekawo because who tell interview a also nya akonya ne doctor Bawumia ekokohia ene ne sere ene ne yire kokohia but I've told you say ade ba kwa lawyer Kwabena Boateng ehun say eye sere kwa na no mo ne sere no
because pe de ekeka ko
because de ekoso Ejisu constituency no de a omo frag bella wate
yes
ana wonte ana mo be no atu afa ho ye chi abro ye de a okasai but ye nkrofo ku ha say besi no nka ahwenfa ho but wate ye wate say bibi say akoso okumawu what you say what is that tepa ye won nkrofo se kan wo emu ne yin wakasa afa ho what you say makachiro say he's such an indecisive because you can never predict him.
What results in you?
We see
to say I was a canon in Tokone Kosuning me who said Dr.
No, Uncle Bibi and Wasam. But a chair boy and now coach a statement thing. But this time I should speak, Nanka Watcher letter across board. Say the various constituencies are San Woma Ecosunano, Agyei. This thing could be on your sadiano. The fact bell and in your sadiano. Omo current chairman will be on your sadiano. What I say, and no yen and no man and a goose yede. Echo and the Americans will be up a Ejisu constituency, and don't mark die as a Master High Court. What I say, all this thing, Papa, we are a mute, and internet lawyer Blabwa take us. Ye me qualify any cocoa dincomo, Michelle lawyer Blabwa didn't amuse no. We no mabuana only needing one grown. What I say, dear wouldn't need dear grown, wouldn't matter crop. What I say, who say we are kola. Yes, mpenufo se o ya akwala wuhu we na nkan du ya wo se ya aba ana se hu kwoto ani wa wo se ya aba nti wa adwen ye se wo fa ekura ahwe na pre na nkse tensuo na ase na ni keke no de hwe ade o nti hu na ni no adwen se wo kofa aba na wo de so na ni mu na bo de wo apre ne bebo wafa what I say so I've told you lawyer Kwabrambo didn't know the caliber of person he was dealing with. The kind of person he was dealing with, you know, is he doesn't know. Until now, you say the fact so cool if you're more welcome, no, yeah, necessarily, you know, means that everything was okay. But I'm telling him, said nothing is okay. Be being well okay because everything that is going on today, approach if baby na baby do baby. Why should the whole constituency chairman a solitary MP? No constituency executive a treasurer say makobo bosia akoto keys makoma 12
ade
onisika so wato bosia de akoto all in the name so atweman so it's sad personally I feel pity for honorable me feel pity say na brabo no any dey me nyan be bi ogina 3 minutes kura say anka but I feel pity say eno mo onam this time as an MP na yemia I feel pity for him what I say, but I don't feel pity for him. Say, baby, I want born a bread. I heard him do. So that is not where I feel pity for him. But I feel pity for him. Say, at this material point in time, baby, a party nanka so no dina kuma do. Edina kwa kujinano. That is where I feel pity for him. Because I you know before so Babe MP, he was a vice chairman. Oh, constituency. What I say? Was several party no, was some party no matter what. Edi na besin kwama party mpenfo baka se saade a se nkwofo ankwa register dia yemfa electoral commission ni way ntina se ye de baba to kwam ha se ya kwam ni bia oto abama MPP no kokoto bi ni eta men ye share sambra we ase ye de baba to ajuso ni bia because mo so me use electoral commission register no
ai
na wo be de kura hu se we NDC ni ane se we MPP
Ohene me
this is very sad. Honestly, say mlada ho mrada ho. Adinti na nipa bi pese o mukata o mani. Echinchin nkofo bi nsade gu o machi. All in the name says sisi ado mu so mu candidate na ba.
Ohene nti we no woye Kennedy a. Na utifie, na wote nsem we bi. Na wo TV, na wo social media no so. Na wo ne ekoso a. Ede na ka kire wo. Unse se obeti a o ma hene bisa we se na adinti na nipa okodi na chinubu so wo party no mu. Na wo de ye wo sa won say one share ntimi anyi sa asem na no yes
because onim se ne boss ne be ka say party no afirim but onim se ne boss na afa no ho adwene wo dey say because ende say me Kennedy and na machitaafo ne ye o mu say metumi hofo metumi hofo we go obedi machi wo party no mu na say ye ko nyina ne ye nya obi akwa me na endi na chi a say sebi o onya nkrofo di na chi kura no mu ka kire ne se wa bodam minu ya me se ndro enmire me nya akwanya tie videos bi ankrofo ye e de fa onabu Kennedy mu were hoyi ndro na miti abron ye me say bro your videos na me say fe kwa na menya biati ayoro or you greedy or you selfish or you wicked or you evil or so e bayfo na ni brisika or just say all manner of words wa bodam honorable Fachemi honorable Ganendo in Agyapong. I suppose not to repeat these words, but I think say it's sad.
Yeah, very sad.
Very, very, very sad. Because me when you see some of the videos or yet the far papa no kayama presenter no, you can't say that here. And so oh dear, the presenter ni jam and able bottom the DNA so or this year no catch and say you can't say that way. But dear we
a call.
Into what all manner of words you catch the papa we are. Many papa na mean transimpo. And my young can't my apprentice or musifum. I'll rather may advise him. It is sad. It is sad. Because a normal papa na from no emotional trauma. Oh, no one the party for the amano. You be no musa the man a cheat half one day. The cheat half one is so far. Say if honorable Kennedy in Agyapong, Jinkwama MPP, so no be junior Jesus and Krampa, and can a cheat half for Peter mo, and we lawyer Kwabrabo atemo, and this the camera no more yes you have food me, or more bread.
So Ohene,
you get it?
Kennedy Agyapong. Ne born ne say, yeah, I was say, ne chidifo, this. Me say a tribulation. Who say me hunu adjustment me fan qualify.
Okay. Na nkrophobia be social media no so no mu di atem.
Nipa wetin na party pa say na.
Ye ka. Say the be ya party no benya baabi agina. Essence ye nyina ye nim pefe say party no baabi agina and then no agina me na dongo. Wo paji do panyi nfa ye asem.
Yeah, no dey.
But we will continue to speak the truth. Sure. Because we party the elections the way they will be contest will be. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama will be contesting.
Yeah.
Anna, we are the mom what the resource or mom what it takes to contest. And the NDC Baba Koedi, Mati dia who do be Mati Professor Alabi. Omo nyina dia piem. And Abu Erikopoku ni dia ba. E say din ketia dia ba. What you say?
Yeah.
Honorable Julius Debra ni dia ba. Sankrofo we nyina no ade na ba akofo nti se ye nyina ba akofo contest obia. Does it mean see a via or sura ba beto for mana? Hwe edan me tena aka kire say in 2020 the main contender His Excellency John Dramani Mahama main contender ana ye kwabradofo na chitafo nyina His Excellency John Dramani Mahama wi ni president wa mom nyina appointment edam bubu bi so kire o ma mi go yahuze onu kwa na pick form but we ba Ashanti regional onu ya Ashanti regional school feeding coordinator.
Okay.
What you say?
Yeah.
Party adwen kire obi no nya adwen a wono nya tamfo.
No Ohene campaign kasa wa kasa nyina nso nye kasa eye kasa twitwi a wo ka bibiti a Dr. Bawumia.
The sadness part of it is say sankande ye won krofo bi mpo a ne nka say Dr. Bawumia ni na chitafo mo na nka kokopa Kennedy Ohene Agyapong chew.
Yes sir, ye
akanya ne krofo mo na treating o mu say. What I say?
Yeah.
Because no krofo kwan o mo de Kennedy ni na chitafo achi fa so no. Anka sa mre kura de anko bi ti say lawyer kwabrabo ati na anko mu hele no. E bo na ba so. Say with all this normal ye di mu fa mu no. Still maji party na tum say ma be kan ho. Rider enkrofo mo torment o mo no. O mu gusu achi say o mo from the party. Because he can never tell me in some amukeka fa honorable Kennedy Ohene Agyapong. Ya anti so honorable Kennedy Agyapong achi ta ni bi. E ka sansem bi a kire mo. Se mu ka kire ne se wa bodam na chita ni bi anka sasem.
Yes.
Si ya bi ni tiri so na chita ni bi ameka sasem no. Wo mo anu se Kennedy on Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia anka no kore. But how many times in na chita for the year no to?
Yeah.
Omo ni we did that party they know say he's a lie. What I say he's a liar. They know him. Say he's a liar. He's a chronic liar. Pathological liar. Omo ni. What I say they themselves know. But how many times Because Mpenifos after elections no campaign, Anna.
Yeah.
They said all these things, all manner of things against it. So at this material point in time, Anka Honorable Kennedy Ohene Agyapong na chita fomu. And Nanka mo pomoni or mo kasa. Since sema ye ka for am hunti no, wonu we chita for nkasa no nyina mombra ne mebo pet na chidom. Enye rider, mo mo torment omo no. En sanso sen chase omo away from the party. Because he tormented them. Boss, and there's a mechanic say in a clear analysis. So mechanic so be one a tormenting in your and say when.
Ah, I say obvious. Ohene.
What do I say?
Yeah.
Omo torment omo big time. But yet, omo mo ye willing say still on baby adwuma party no. But rider e dey be na nkofo omo mo ye willing mo ye. Omo guswa.
Yeah.
What I say?
Yeah.
Omo guswa. Enti me nua ye de the can say party no upe ni yo a unye ni sei ye ka kirom no so mba bedi atama ya ka no okura kirom
yeah
ye de enim ni say lawyer kwabo abo atin ye mfumso bi onye bone bia ye mo amutiri mu po say kwan bia so mo be say na onu ye mo mutiri mu po onu ye mo ma adwene mu po ene no ma mo pese mo ye ebe boa mo a eye ma mo e mboa ma mo a ye de yakoso aka akwa bi to mo say ya kan de ye akire wo nipa fa sem ne nante
yes
na ye de ye
yeah
de no kure wom no because man fa duomi situation and to no ho duomi antimi amba independent candidate because at some point in that contract bi na share nkrofo bi nsa na mutimi the contract ne kan ne share say wunim na say uko independent a say contract na be free wonsa na ma bro esi o no obi any contract lawyer kwabrabo atin no obi any contract and the wusi ni from a up to ono so be decide so be ko independent candidate and as obe transidin
okay
what I say so and the enembra bia no mo ma ba akra ni abem no aka chen say wo contract bi adaba ba chichiro and na munim da akra nso amobeba because 2028 dey nim say enyom to slogan bi amoto after say mo ba na say echina no twedi amponkra na betima kire ebetima 2039 kra and I say 3039 what I say asem na ye kan nti that is it ye de yaka na yenim say MPP for kura nya hwe ama Canada na esa nkomo try say ankasa mre omo be from achitafo na omo aka chom say monkom anim esa nse ekwan ye de mo fast ne torment wo kroma no enye ye mum na esa nkomo san enye Canada achitafo mum na esa nkomo be pa Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia achitafo je.
All right. Ohene ye hwe kakra Rosemond Oben mami me in 7 hour kind of really strong word power now obi beka say one wuntumu asabana or say no serious political party will allow someone with active court cases. Political party beard wa o yes serious na nya brace opetumi a obema chama wuntumi a de bia wonam court koba so meli de party as national chairman to the gatoa ma NPP council of elders no so mo form na nsi form na say di brother chama wuntumi pe no on fan so ha
e dan mi bisa wasem say nyansafo no wahin me bisa asase wo
bisa
me bisa say NPP nyansafo no wahin the council of elders say nim ene mpenufo ye ka kire mo say what a solid team na yin so mu ye mpenufo mo nim de na ohwe the party structure de bia me ka kire say ohwe MPP party structure today you feel sad because ende nipa ni gina test confo enim edi asade e be chi no gina court ende okọ test confo enim ade e chi anu abesia agina court na asema Rosemond who say Rosemond was special I think that formerly was a special aide to Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia when the guy say he's very indecisive say Wontumi deciding man so he doesn't know what to do you see. And then when you look at the structure today, now we share cases or facey. Me the main case or beko jail. No, that is not what I mean.
Yeah.
But it's a party papa waba. Na candidate or ye wo chairman nipa or contesting for chairmanship. Ejina court enye just ordinary case. A case a more group ejina court. Na say also no na enko contesting winning chairman. You are not serious.
Okay.
Because you will need a lot of time to plan for the party.
Yeah.
And they am no say you can the head of MPP the chairman yo. Wouldn't say chairman is there a party opposition no? Chairman in that party ni nyina no.
Okay.
Oh baby if you party no crowd power ono na the still the party no ye ne dia. And is ende mo kwa akoto aba ma obi ade achi bia na okokota ebe den wa plan for the party. So no serious political party we elect chairman Wontumi as a chairman. No serious political party.
And say
what I say?
Ekwioku ya. No ye yakonta mining. General manager.
Yes.
Wakasa. Na asema waka na say. Nso on dey say court nim say there be a court no Wontumi na ko. So ko dia dance.
Yeah.
Or say present and bisa no say should I maintain my silence and be in prison leaving my wife and children? They should keep praying for Wontumi. Oh, what's this one kind of Wontumi? No go prison. Abla ma wo abusia ofi.
You see, at some point in time we were told say Wontumi kra making no court say okokon nim no. He stated it in one of an interview.
And in them so yi feel say ban.
No catch so onim no say hwe. Samom. Now we see how diabolic some personalities can be.
Yeah.
Or see onim no. So what is it is that say man remain silent obeko jail Emma politician afa no hodi. I remember one witness, I don't know whether it's the same or what. On also can say time I do omo nyina ekwo police station no. Obi obebe bia oba so Wontumi. Obi obebe nto hu say ono no kwo no kwakwo defend Wontumi no kwo jail a. Ana omo mienu nya akokwo jail a. Embre bi be so a Wontumi betuma nya presidential pardon. But no kwakwo do bi alenkai no. Because there was a t-shirt you are printing free Wontumi, but obi no printing free okoko. So if you are a man who you warm bar, you need to be smart. Wombla unim sa asem no. Wo entimi mbo. But wo di aka ne se obeka no kure wom na wo abesi akofie no. Anka ne na obefa. Obeka no kure. Obeka no kure abesi akofie.
Yes.
You get it? So it is obvious America aka kire say nipa na onam obonto an say chema Wontumi obi odwene ne ho pa yi a anka barista na nkomo chairmanship race nkwa should be out. Because I don't know why he thinks na adwene ya ne say bia easy issue bia enko ba bia say na chitafo ne nam o mo kaka say oh ye njo o mo na enko ba bia o man ye bia na ebeka say. But you see the way and the manner ye de subo no bobo no ye de beja court asem ato because you don't have that moral right here babeka court asem.
Of course.
But I think say what Rosemont Ekano one of the best decisions the council of elders or more MPP say nyansafo no more MPP no any serious people Paul many abrea they will tell Wontumi to step down. Because the day-to-day administrative no the chairman any administrative na adwuma say so mo run this ade no but it's a wunni asundwe a wo de be sa ade na ade china wo kokoto be de nya asundwe aba be sa ade. So no serious political party and the best mistake no.
Okay.
No. After this more reason why Makacho said the MPP as a political party a sinking political party. What I say?
Yeah.
They are not serious. One, Makacho said Obia Oba Ashanti region be failure. We fail honorably in Ashanti region. O fail poto. Ono ne yesi o si ayembo na beti man nkonko fa national adwumadi nkogodi. What I say? Yeah. So when you look at the MPP today, I've told you say every serious person be because here information I gather say me I don't know say what is asem now. And then we say yes say Wontumi ewi ni chairmanship no kra yes Kennedy say obetin ho afi party mu.
Yeah. And then na frame.
Said the only thing I didn't tell why didn't na so or train. See a two abani we say Kenyan. Na Wontumi na ewi ni chairmanship and no one no. Winning. Here you are told say Wontumi is very ungrateful personality. So Obeka atemdidia wo do Wontumi didi is Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Do you know say it took Kennedy Ohene Agyapong and mpanifo bi na ekọ is Excellency John Dramani Mahama na so ekọ pa ne chow say no. Eja Oba yesi mpanifo say oba ni gu na so a ye ntwa ntwen ye papa.
Sure.
So His Excellency John Dramani Mahama with all that pains in no more for money no na ye Kennedy Ohene Agyapong na I was told say I don't know whether African market can one omo na mo kwakwa His Excellency John Dramani Mahama chaiso yes ro ejafa che no right after so no kwakwa che no obaye no obaye na Wontumi say abeso jadi gu ono na okokwa His Excellency John Dramani Mahama che odema no. You see, these are the caliber of people we are dealing with. And these are in summer and in number one say in ayetete.
Yeah.
Since ye the entity any yaso eda from say Wontumi win chairmanship no dia and automatically we are Kennedy Ohene Agyapong ebeti no hu de afie MPP obeyi no hu afiri mu kura.
Yeah.
And nipa and na Rose Monica no nipa work court cases. Ye the enka say we kobuan no for anazi kobuan bim.
Yeah.
But it's a political party we are serious obi na unu say party no kura say state no person we use that machinery ni tiawa o metumi atwa we win chairmanship ni we are no more for ma twumu say we nya kwan kura ma ye waduma enti say we party we are serious and assembly we atna say dwene za no ma no so azumi without admitting and the judicial system and the legislature and the executives what I say and around this state and no matter say no more who say why we need chairmanship we need chairmanship we na wo ba bebo ama party na ba power and ya starting the twetwe say be obema edifa out me na twetwe obema fa out e be de na wo ba akoda what I say o ma start twetwe obema de fa out na obema no be de answer no ba akoda because you say wo and be obetumi aboama party na ba power wuzu na de chimbia na ugina court yi nti maka che say MPP for a serious there is no way sanka the bid for chairman Wontumi say oba national chairman no was one of a decision as the worst decision every serious political party would have taken.
And of course also on the campaign.
Oh yes my uno and you know diasa
or say God through me will give you jobs. Wontumi promises opportunities for Tescom. God
through why?
True or no?
No better. Yes, you are too good. No, must wait. Wontumi adwuma ba ko kuma senam ti. Me patron didn't the same. With all the gold or better television so, egu ho. No ka kire say oye. I'm not bribe o ka kire say okwa chess team no.
Yeah.
Me patron with all those things adwuma do say no creative was antimem. Say MPP amabu na wo ham ko yebi.
No mo abem no.
Omo kura wa abem no. Wo de omo wa abem no. Adwuma do say e no di ni president or co-president say me and am here Ashanti regional chairman. Me kura 43 MPs omo nyina e wo MPP dim. Me patro be bia ndwuma ba ko mienu miensa e fa me wa santimem. Say de be Ashanti so be kai. Anaso onu ni sika bebrebe ene ni gold na no you TV so no. Ndwuma wo do say and we be o asantimem say mabunu meye bi. These are on serious personalities. You see?
Yeah.
Who be kai? And then me person me kai wade bi. Who say boss you dey show me. John Boy so ba chairmanship. Onu so secretary. Onu so be share say boy bi. E ka kire say so munyame ya adum na se eto aba no mo a. Omo be creating duma me yakwa kofa nkofo afia me no ne. E mo ba baby. Beboa.
Yeah.
John Boy do asem up. This it was the same promise.
The
same promise.
Yeah.
What I say? They ended up taking our unemployment rate from 8.4 to 14.7. What I say?
Yeah.
These are the people and now must go through wine. Unim nyame. Ah, now what to ashabasha. Nyame so.
I need Israel in Bible.
Ah, I dey Israel Bible. I dey Israel. Woman be crop church and sabo sunsumo say dey be you. You get it? And one pipe into me family. You get it? Sabrato no. I'm telling you.
Told the Asha.
That is a lie.
It was definitely Israel.
Yeah, dear men family. But the minimum say, many me can't say true or no nyame
go through.
Go through nyame na mouse I gold mines no. We promise you be so be 200 million na. Na bo so me so na 240 million. Me na make. And I say people okuro no ko adwuma ma na eka. Also the promise and the contract you sign with him and say We bet 200 million a month. You ended up paying 40 million a month. These are criminals in our society. And when found the panya, anyway. You got it. Yeah. So when these people promises you heaven, but so no more catch yourself heaven. And banner so from we have to some them. They are lying. Or they want you to fall.
Okay.
What I say, well, who's a JB? Now all person would do any say shall be 20. No, I catch yourself above for me never. It will number from no. These are the caliber of people you are dealing with in this country. What I say? So the can say, me, I know very well, sir, whatever they are telling us today, the same promises, or making 2015, 2016, or making higher promises than this. 2015, or catches some of the heaven babas as well. So, movie. They ended up telling us lies. Later, no is no more prepare hell. They good to them.
Wow.
You get it? Yeah. So, for this gentleman to tell us, go through me, I will create job for test on those things. They were abandoned in this country. Masa, life, mama.
Right.
They can look at your face and tell you lies.
Okay.
Minimum says I deal with okay. Or the cock or dad, or some of course, you crown, or some guys here, Jimmy. One from Jimmy in front.
I saw the
I said, I started saying,
right. Or for quick one, we a quick one. Say, Obikase, Dr. Bawumia, Uncle Park Kennedy, Ohene Agyapong Achawa. As a children say, any panel, a him free ba.
Yeah. And you are no quapon as a copanacho. I can say, I say, Dr. Bawumia, I line up in Kofubi. I can say, no money in feel crowded dada. Coca, Aquana, him. Abronye. Junior why butchery.
Yeah.
Sanko fu we nyina no anka sambe wa so mo line onabo achachamo odi wa so mo line wa twen aba na odi o machi munko mamko papa we chew. Because what they did to the man, that honorable man, let me who be that in our political space. Me who politics say nkrofo mienu bi ekwa akansie. People disagree with each other, but not this manner. This kind of insult. Let me who be that. What I say?
Yeah.
Omo tarnishing the image. Omo destroying. Omo saying kuduto. Omo threatening nkrofo edinechi. Omo use all schemes and all mechanisms to make sure say nkrofo no at some point they no musuru kwase omo pia ba bonten. So omo beto aba. You get it?
Yeah.
In the meaning, by this time, so more pay in Kamboma and Kabaista a deal or coin in chess or quackos ran. One cockrank you. Next uncle lining up uncle for winning a mudimachi. When they go to him, they plead to him. So honorable, be a politics, no? Fache. The Bekwa Bontia Quack Clay Woodin. What I said, the Kayano, political gimmicks, and I say one of the where I need to see a bit in the winning different forms. So, though it's not the right thing to do.
Yeah.
But for now, they're the best, the only option on more. And he said, Dr. Bawumia should lead his people and go and apologize to Honorable Kennedy in Agyapong.
Okay.
Because they have done him damage. Omar caused a lot of damages. You see, Kennedy in Agyapong 90th Street, ma. Nipa dinani na hwe you say, when we about them na you know when you catch it, say na adwene yeduma. So today whatever Kennedy Bejina or because Kennedy Mpoye na adwene so ba be campaign deep thinkers in this country be say oh na say some can adwene.
Yeah.
And I won't use them
yeah, of course, Ohene.
Wouldn't say sorry free wa. Wouldn't say anytime Dr. Kennedy or Ohene Agyapong Bejina platform be so. I campaign Crawford be so serious.
Oh yes.
People will not take his word serious.
Yeah.
A lot of Ghanaians.
Yeah.
The masses.
Because we are going through a lot.
The masses know say, oh, you are not serious.
Yeah.
So we are serious, and I say it's hard as I somebody can't find say you why doing your name because why doing your pa with the level of insult any intimidation ye de ma wo kroma na nka you still not have the platform to campaign for a candidate.
Yeah.
And then me catch you say tisia bebia honorable Kennedy Ohene Agyapong abranding no ho adu no. Or a bigger than so be man political appointment.
Okay.
Because a sika na opa wanya bi. E fame ade nyame do adu ya ageye. You get it?
Yeah.
Say ye fame because we presidential ambition, you know. Unless they be able to find independent candidates be there. For now, they have killed that through MPP. MPP mood or mass, you know. Because for you to come out to come and even campaign to us, in conformation with tutu, say this is a gentleman who want to be a president. Ya catch it say na adwene. Ya catch it say okọ cabinet at is one pan. So people begin to ask themselves questions. A lot of questions, a lot of things will go through the minds of many people. What do I say?
Yeah.
On me same brain. Say, oh, okay. If you go who so kasa no mugu ya analysis. The kasa mu dey say na adwene say you. That's all kasa kama. And e woman na aba. So on the course of the conversation, even while you are communicating to the audience, you know, audience will try to analyze your issues.
Yeah.
By analyzing the statement that will make it. As to say the air can find only no cry and say no cry. So I think say they owe him a very big apology.
Okay. Okay.
E so mko panic one kasa. They need to apologize to that honorable man. And so more apologizing to him. Because aside politics, I think say he have a dignity and integrity to protect.
Okay.
And they have to protect that at all costs.
Okay.
So they have to apologize to him, to say sorry to him, say, honorable, ya caused you a lot of damages. Ya form, fetching. It was a wrong thing to do. And we promise that thing is not going to happen. And I think, sir, so to me, German can fair enough.
Okay.
Because as you speak now, we sure said there's a lot of videos. If you know Honorable Kennedy Agyapong,
yeah.
And whenever he will see it, he will cry. So to me, I mean, call for partner, him say.
Yeah.
Unless he doesn't want to watch the videos and he doesn't want to hear anything about it. But I say, your baby children there on the day he will cry.
Okay.
What I say, because in some abroad, me say particularly abroad, call the papa na fasono. They need to apologize to him.
Okay.
And I am that is why I catch you say Dr. Bawumia is such an indecisive personality. He's somebody you cannot trust because with all this insult or they didn't phobia at them, then the other lawyers, judges, a whole court, the SU, a tarnishing the court needing now court and train as well. Once I got to letter, the same thing. One day you won't call for second, wouldn't won't let it. And on a pen, I own. So you're best run. You're best run. When it comes, you see, a do a man for swan, a do the and the car man for.
Yeah.
I think, sir, a bare best for him. Send on one other friend and call for to apologize to the man.
Okay.
Because they have done him no good.
Okay.
Or must send the reputation, or must send the image, or my no be the Tianoa, which is very, very wrong. And at this material point in time, I say, okay, no more papa panicho. If say papa be German, I fair enough. On German and can I say be a party now only interested that at least Mark panicho.
Yeah.
What I say.
Yeah.
But for anybody to come and tell us, Kennedy Mo, and Dr. Bawumia Chowde, I think that would be the last one on Kennedy on Agyapong.
Okay.
Because on my terrorizing man, on my no be brain. What I say. Now I do no be bratu na do. For now, me sure say or make decisions because and no be brain and them.
Yes.
What I say. I've seen some man for catch them. And if they were aiding the trim with them there.
Yeah.
I think that is what is going through in his mind.
All right. Ohene ye de besia rade adoma na ya hwe eye kuka ensem no. Rade adoma tinasi na ya hwe kuka ensem no. We last words na yanko.
Me kono. The American say emra and I still believe say emra MPP the bo mo party no ban no and say so mo to mra no twene because of nipa ba ku no.
Okay.
What I say?
Yeah.
You be a platform, you be we register also nkwatwere wudin a asa me enkoka say onu nti no obi so mbeto aba. Wo mbeto aba e wu decision because went me anya akwanya ketewa bi ankwatwere wudin a e de be na chese obenya akwanya akwakose lie say wo kwakoto aba.
Yeah.
What I say? And I think say omo apply law no say the omo mla na e ka no. So who person omo amend mla na na if omo ye ni say obi ankwakwoto bia onu so omo ye na cross board man ko ya Ejisu constituency nko a say ko ya Ejisu constituency nko a na say ma hye mbra foforo na say party na wo ne mbra nko na Ejisu constituency so wo ne mbra nko e ban say na say omo ni mpanifo bi ende ni
okay
me fa kwanya we so na me de chia Honorable Ishamalasen Yabunsu.
Okay.
The presidential staffer. Any Honorable Shaba. Shaba. Any Ejisu Amwatin or your constituency chairman. Me channel kwa biasmunia.
Right. Ebusiafo ebe na mase ha ene de dwumadin ebesie uto Ohene Michael Nkamidin tell evangelist Samson Owusu da sere ebe se shebi. Yakramo.